On today's episode, the kiddo takes over.
She already said it all. She stole my thunder.
She's worried about her dress.
I don't want it to get wet.
And she tries to end the show early.
We don't do outro, so...
You're a little early.
Who got this? Dad got this.
Hey guys, welcome to Dad Got This. Today we will make Lefous Brew. Lefous Brew.
You didn't even wait for me. Like she said, hello everybody, and welcome to Dad Got This. Today, we're going to make Lefous Brew. She already said it all. She stole my thunder. Okay, here's what's going on. We haven't been able to go to Disney in a while. My favorite drink at Disney is Lefous Brew at Gastons Tavern in Magic Kingdom. And I found a recipe for it on the interwebs. This is not a Disney official recipe, but all the Disney official recipes I've tried haven't been so spot on. So I figured, you know what? Everybody says this one is good. It's from the Farm Girl Gabs. I'll throw the link down in the description. And it seems really simple.
All you need is salt, oil, and sugar, and milk.
Nope, and nope. What we have is sugar. This is mango juice and passion fruit juice.
Oh, I like that.
And this is heavy whipping cream.
Oh.
And what we're going to do is, you know how Lefous Brew, it has that foam on top? We're going to make that foam. The first thing we need to do is open up our mixer. So this is really simple. All we need to do is pour all this stuff in there and turn it on so it whips. Can you help me out with that? Pour it in. I'll put all the exact ingredients for the recipe down in the description below. I'll probably flash it up on screen too. Go ahead and put the sugar in there. Yep, and that's mango and passion fruit juice.
And now it's mixed.
Put that down, lock it, and go ahead and turn it on.
I don't want it to get wet.
It's not going to get you. What we're doing here is we're going to whip this till we get stiff peaks. It's almost like making a whipped cream.
Yeah.
This isn't quite there yet. You can see it's still kind of runny. So we're going to go ahead and put this back down and go back. Oh, there we go. It's kind of a whipped cream consistency. That's what we're looking for.
I wish I could eat it.
You can once we're done.
No, I try it.
You want to? Go ahead. Stick a finger in. How's it taste?
Pretty good. Tastes
Pretty good, I say. Ooh, it's good. It's like a fruity whipped cream.
Yeah, fruity whipped cream.
We're going to stick this in the fridge.
And if you guys didn't know and watched the video, Dad has a new blender. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll put it up in the link right over there.
Who taught you to be like a professional YouTuber?
You
Not
did.
me. My gosh, you're so good at this.
Thanks.
Lefous Brew is basically a frozen apple. You don't have to say everything I say at the same time. Lefous Brew is basically frozen apple juice slush with a little bit of mango juice in it and the secret ingredient. Can you hold that up and show them? This is Torani toasted marshmallow syrup.
Torani? Show my marshmallow syrup?
Good try. Toasted marshmallow. It's supposed to taste it like if you roasted marshmallows.
Toasted marshmallow syrup.
Yep. And that was the only thing that was hard to find out of anything in this recipe. I had to Amazon Prime this. Other than that, we got water, ice, and a little bit of mango juice. And one 12-ounce can of frozen apple juice. And it just all goes in the blender.
Here, I'll hold it.
I gotta crush it. I don't want to hurt your hands. Crush it to get it out.
Let me get it on it.
We're add a cup of ice, quarter cup of the toasted marshmallow syrup, there's a little bit of mango juice,
A little bit like the whole thing.
the whole thing, and some high quality H2O. Just water. Okay. Okay, baby. You okay? That scare you a little bit? You okay? All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't tell me we have to do it again.
No, I think we got the right
I wish
consistency.
I could eat.
You're gonna do the taste tester. You're gonna tell me you've tasted this at the park.
Oh wait, I have, and it's really good. It's really good.
You stole pretty much our whole drink when we went to. No, not yet. I gotta put the cream on it.
Alright.
Put a little scoop of the toasted.
This
here.
looks so good. Did you make a vlog?
This is
Out of this?
this is a vlog.
No. Like,
When we tried it, yeah. They can go watch our vlog.
and if you haven't seen that video, I'll also leave another link up over right here.
Go ahead and give it a try.
It just tastes like apple juice. To me. Tastes good.
That tastes like Lefous Brew. It really does. Oh, and if you get it with some of the cream, really good. Here, get it with a little bit of the cream.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta say, the Gabby Girl Farm thing, she nailed it. That is Lefous Brew. Right on. Perfect taste. It's got that fruity. It's refreshing. It's basically a frozen apple slush, but that toasted marshmallow really comes through in the juice when you drink it. You really get that toasted marshmallow flavor, and that's the secret to this drink.
Daddy, can I drink this one with the movie?
You can have that. That one's gonna be yours. That's it. I got to get some of this to the wife because she has been wanting this all day. Been waiting for Lefous Brew all day. But it took me a while to get this video set up. That's it. We're done. Highly recommend it. Way better than all of Bob's recipes who comes out.
And we don't do outro, so
You're a little early. Way better than Bob's recipes, the guy who does the Disney recipes. All of the Disney ones have been off. This one, not a Disney official recipe, right on the money. So, what doesn't Dad do?
Dad doesn't do outros, so
That's it.
that's it.
For more fun and easy recipes, visit dadgotthis.com.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the damn bell.
I double dog dare you.
Come on, you have to do it. It was a double dog dare. I mean, those are the rules.